Hello! In this video I will show you how to perform hard reset through settings on REALME Narzo 80. So you have to start by opening your settings application, then you have to scroll down and click on system. Now scroll down again and click on reset phone, and then click on clear all data permanently, and then click on clear all data. Now click on erase all data. And as you can see, my device is now back to its factory settings and I have to perform phone setup all over again. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.